I'm designing number 16. When I see this, I forgot to mention here and here it's a 2x2. These fillets are all a radius of 1. When I extrude this, if I extrude from the mid plane, it will make centering these rectangular cuts a little bit easier. So drawing from the front, I will create my profile. That line didn't go vertical, so I will fix that. If this happens, just left click on the line, choose the constraint or relation that you need. Smart dimension. 6, 4, 2, and 1. Extruding. As I mentioned before, going from the mid plane is a good option, as this will put the front plane in the center. With the front plane in the center, when I go to create a sketch here and go normal to, I can line up using this point. I'm going to draw a construction line here and put a square in place. I made it coincident to the edge. I want to add symmetry between this. I could do dimensions, but something that we haven't really done yet. If you left click these 3 lines and hold control, you get a series of relations to appear. I want this to be symmetric, so we'll center it on here. Smart dimensioning now at 2x2. And cutting through all. Now I have a 2x2 cutout on this face as well. Control 8 to go normal to. I could do the same thing with that center line. I could also add constraints from existing features. So I left clicked this line, held control, left click the line over here, and I'll go collinear. So I could have done the symmetry, selecting all 3. I could have used dimensions, or I could have used 2 collinear relations. I do need to smart dimension this now at measurement of 2. It's the only dimension I need because of all my relations. Extrude cut. Going through all. Control 7. The last thing I need to do is add my fillets. They're all a radius of 1. I'm using a feature fillet. I want to make sure that full preview is selected. I'm using the standard constant size with fillet parameters of 1 inch. And then I select the edge where the 2 faces intersect. And I could put all of these at once. If I select the wrong item, just right click on it, select delete. And this then is part 16.